prepare a pizza. We need tomatoes, we need baking powder, we need ham and flavor. Also we need egg and butter. We need a recipe to put the flavor and the other things, and we need cheese. We need to put in the recipe to liquid the tomatoes, and when you liquid the tomatoes, later you will have other recipe to cook the tomatoes, and you have to wait to have a red color, and later you need a recipe to the mass, and you put the mass in the recipe, and later you have to cook the cheese, and later if you have to put everything in the mass, and later if you cook, the pizza is ready to eat.